In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the heater control valve on your 2018 F-150 Ford truck. So this is a fairly straightforward job. You're going to come in from the passenger side, turn the wheel all the way to the right so you have more clearance, and remove that fender liner. And here is a wire right here that you want to disconnect, and you can push that fender liner up onto the wheel so you don't have to remove it all the way. And there's this bracket that has the control valve hooked to it, and there's plenty of zip ties. I already cut them off in this video clip, but what you're going to want to do is cut those off and pull the wire harness as far as you can out of the way and disconnect all the bolts that is holding the bracket on. Allow you to freely rotate the control valve itself to get easier access to the hose clamps, since they can be a pain to get to from where the bracket is mounted. And I take the bracket off and not just the control valve by itself, because the retaining clip on the control valve itself that holds it to the bracket is kind of a pain to get to. And here is the old one out. Here's the bracket that I was talking about removing. With the control valve that we're replacing still attached to it, we will remove that later. So here is the control valve itself, and the new unit has a different bracket on it, so we're going to take these Torx bits out and replace the assembly. And here's the new control valve attached to the bracket. And you're going to want to attach the hoses up before you remount the bracket. It makes it so much easier to get them all to line up, and then reverse procedure of everything that you did before. This is not a direct how-to, it's kind of a highlight of what you need to do and shows you the basic steps. If there's any questions, leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.